Welcome to wanted to fill series tutorial video. So in this video I'm going to tell you guys like how this works. It is very simple. So in this episode I'm going to fill this hard disk activity indicator. So I just got, so there were two as one for positive and one is ground. So I just took one wire from the LED because I already connected the Arduino to the same PC, so I don't need to connect the ground for that. So if you are using another PC for this Arduino, then you have to connect the ground. So that is very simple. Like I'm taking this input and using some pull-up resistors and taking the input to Arduino for the indicator, and then depending on that data value I'm going to move these cylinders. So I have put this right here, and then these cylinders won't work simultaneously, they work like one by one. So because to get rid of the interval time, so it will be a fast movement. So when this cylinder is on, this will be off, and then when this cylinder is going to off, this will come on. So they work in one by one manner. So there's nothing very much complicated in this. So I'm going to show you guys. These are the cylinders, this is the compressor I have used, and I have to use the two relays for this to control them independently. So yeah, that's it.